Spectracide Terminate Termite Stakes combine monitoring and control in one system, using visual indicators to reveal termite activity while the bait targets foraging insects underground. The kit comes ready to deploy with pre-baited stakes, locator shields, a simple digging tool, and clear instructions, so a homeowner can set up a perimeter without special equipment or expertise. Installation is quick since the stakes are pushed into the soil a few feet from the foundation and spaced at regular intervals, making it realistic to surround a typical home in a single afternoon. The pop-up signal on each stake makes it easy to see when termites have found the bait, so you can focus attention on problem spots instead of guessing where activity might be hiding. Because the system is designed for use around decks, crawl spaces, and other moisture-prone areas, it helps you keep watch in the very places termites are most likely to appear first. Used as part of a broader prevention plan and replaced on schedule, these stakes offer a straightforward way to reduce the risk of hidden termite damage between professional inspections.